Pagod ka na bang mag-rent at magpadala ng pera na wala namang napapala? Ito ang dahilan kung bakit ang sariling bahay ang smartest investment para sa'yo. Hello kabayan! This is Miss Jen, your trusted property agent. Welcome back to my channel.
Today, pag-usapan natin kung bakit napaka-smart investment ang pag-own ng bahay. Marami tayong benefits na dapat isaalang-alang. Una, equity building. Sa tuwing nagbabayad ka ng mortgage, unti-unti kang nagbibuild ng equity sa bahay mo. Ibig sabihin, habang lumilipas ang panahon, nagkakaroon ka ng ownership stake na pwedeng gamitin sa hinaharap. Pangalawa, appreciation potential. Historically, ang mga bahay ay tumataas ang halaga over time. So, kapag ready ka ng ibenta, malaki ang chance na kumita ka. So let's say kumuha ka ng worth 4 million na property this year, possible pa ito dumoble ng after 3 to 5 years. Kung sa tingin ninyo na interesting ito, please leave a comment down below and isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano tataas ang value ng inyong property. Pangatlo, community and stability. Ang pagiging homeowner ay nagdudulot ng sense of community and stability. Mas madali kang makabuo ng relasyon sa neighbors at magtayo ng magandang buhay para sa iyong pamilya. Pang-apat, tangible asset. Real estate ay isang physical asset, meaning makikita mo at magagamit mo ito. Hindi katulad ng stocks, tangible ang bahay at nag-aalok ito ng utility. At ang panglima, passive income opportunities. Kung may extra space ka, pwede mong i-rent out ito. Rental income na ito ay makakatulong sa iyong cash flow. At ang panghuli, ang predictable payments. Sa fixed rate mortgage, alam mo kung magkano ang babayaran mo bawat buwan. Ito ang makakatulong sa iyong budget at maiwasan ang biglaang pagtaas ng gastos. So, kung nag-iisip kang bumili ng bahay, isipin ang mga benepisyong ito dahil napaka-smart investment ng home ownership para sa iyong future. Kung nag-aalinlangan ka pa, halika't samahan ako sa maikling pag-uusap na tiyak na magbubukas ng iyong isipan tungkol sa mga oportunidad at benepisyo ng pagiging isang home buyer. Alam mo, pagod na ako sa pagre-rent. Ang dami kong pinagdaraanan pero wala namang napupuntahan. Naiintindihan ko. Ang pagre-rent ay parang nag-i-invest ka ng pera pero walang magiging sayo. Ano ang mga concern mo sa paghahanap ng bahay? Gusto ko sana lugar na malapit sa trabaho ko. Budget ko ay medyo limitado. Pero willing akong mag-save kung makahanap ng magandang deal. Magandang simula yan. May mga ilang properties tayo na kagaya po ni Lancaster New City and Minami Residences. At may mga affordable options po tayo and exclusive bus shuttle for homeowners na malapit dito sa Metro Manila. Paano kung di ako maprubahan ng bank? Don't worry po ma'am, madami po tayong bank affiliated as long as good payer po kayo and complete yung inyong requirements. Matutulungan po namin kayo. Sige, interesado ako. Gusto ko rin malaman kung paano ang proseso ng pagbili. Simple lang. Kailangan mo lang mag-pre-qualify sa financing. And then we can start viewing properties at tutulungan kita sa bawat step. Salamat! Sana maging smooth ang process at excited na ako magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Walang anuman, iset na natin ang schedule for viewing po ninyo at sisiguraduhin kong makahanap ng magandang bahay para sa inyo. Maraming OFW at young professionals ang nagtagumpay sa pagbili ng bahay. Tuklasin ang kanilang inspiradong kwento at alamin kung paano mo rin matutupad ang inyong pangarap na tahanan.
day to everyone. Isa po ako sa mga nag-invest, me and my wife, sa Minami Property. First of all, kaya namin naisipan mag-invest dyan kasi sobrang convenient niya sobrang convenient yung area. At the same time, Cavite is already developed slowly now. And also, Minami is little affordable. As of now, kaya pa. Hindi pa siya sobrang taas. Kaya pang i-manage ng budget namin. So, for us, we are very lucky because we have our very good agent, Miss Jen. She's always there anytime we need her. And also, kahit nasa malayo kami because we are OFW, Miss Jen always guide us from start until now. So we are very lucky because Miss Jen is with us. And also, anything may problema, mayroon kaming question or anything, she's there to help us. So we are very lucky. First of all, Miss Jen, thank you, and Ma'am Gwen for helping us and supporting us every time. Thank you.
House and lot for OFWs in General Trias, Minami Residences expands your family's horizon with our houses and lots for sale in the Philippines for OFWs. Our exclusive nature-inspired modern Asian community is built at the heart of General Trias, Cavite and is located near schools, hospitals, and commercial establishments, so you and your family have everything you need close by, just 4.5 km away from Calax Open Canal exit. Minami Residences is accessible to major thoroughfares that will make traveling easier to Metro Manila, Laguna, and Tagaytay.
Ayan. Hello everyone. Ayan, sakto maayos yung suot ko ngayon. So I'd like to take this opportunity to recommend Miss Gwen and Miss Jen na kuha kayo sa kanila ng property. Super ayos nilang kausap sa lahat ng agents na na-encounter ko. Sila lang yung nagbigay sa akin ng thorough information about the property, the process, the journey, the requirements. Kasama talaga nila kayo. And also, hindi sila madamat sa information. Nakakatuwa kasi ang binibenta nila bahay, pero yung assistance that they provide, kahit nasa bahay ka na, kailangan mo lang ng kuryente or ng water, or magka-problema man sa connection ng water, you can still reach out to them. And up until now, kahit na tapos na yung kanilang responsibility sa akin as their sales agent, meron pa rin kaming good relationship. So, I highly recommend Miss Jen and Miss Gwen kapag maghahanap kayo ng property. Super legit nila na agent. At na-remember ko before nung super duper busy ako sa work and kailangan ko magbayad ng aking mga obligations like yung equity, diba? Tapos kailangan may magpasok dito ng money. Si Miss Gwen, sa kanya ko pinadaan yung money. And nakarating naman sila yung nagbigay ng resibo. Super trustworthy people po sila. So, kung nag-iisip pa kayo, meron ba kayong doubts? Nako, this video is your sign to really trust Miss Jen and Miss Gwen. They are highly recommended people. Ayun po. Thank you so much. I hope you've learned something from this video.
Discover Lancaster New City. Your dream community awaits. Nestled in the heart of General Trias, Cavite, Lancaster New City is more than just a place to live. It's a vibrant, friendly community where everything you need is within reach. Enjoy the convenience of exclusive bus shuttles and a complete township that caters to all your lifestyle needs. Imagine having groceries, schools, and your favorite fast food spots like Jollibee, Chowking, and McDonald's just minutes away. Spend quality weekends with your family in open spaces featuring parks and playgrounds designed for bonding moments. Safety is our priority with 24/7 security, and our amenities are top-notch, including a clubhouse with a refreshing swimming pool. Plus, with major establishments like Evo City by Ayala Land and the biggest SM General Trias just 10 to 15 minutes away, you're perfectly situated for shopping and entertainment. Isn't it time you make Doncaster New City your home? Discover the amazing lifestyle waiting for you.
Hello po. So yun nga po, kaya po namin pinili yung Cavite para bilhan ng aming bahay is we think na malapit lang po siya sa Manila, and then aside from that, convenient na rin po siya ngayon kapag nag-commute ka papunta and pauwi sa Manila. So kasi yung trabaho po namin is nasa Manila din po, kaya yun yung one of the choice na kinonsider namin, kaya sa Cavite kami bumili ng lupa. And then aside from that, Cavite is a growing city na rin siya, and most importantly is we buy our lot, house and lot in an affordable price and convenient term for us po. And then we are very grateful din kasi we have Miss Jen as nakita namin siya as an agent na lagi kaming ina-assist, and from the start na nag-preserve kami, andyan siya, and until now na matatapos na po namin yung DP namin, andyan pa rin siya, and she is very kind, generous, and most importantly is she is very trustworthy po na agent, at hindi ka po niya iiwan from the start until now, andyan pa rin po siya, and lagi po siyang naka-assist sa amin, kaya we are very grateful na siya po yung agent namin.
Mikara Estates in Tanza is a modern residential community designed for comfort and convenience. With a range of thoughtfully designed homes, this vibrant neighborhood offers a perfect blend of urban living and serene surroundings. Residents enjoy a variety of amenities including parks, playgrounds, and communal spaces ideal for family gatherings and outdoor activities. Mikara Estates is strategically located near essential establishments such as schools, shopping centers, and hospitals, ensuring that everything you need is just a short drive away. The community is also accessible via major roads, making commuting to Metro Manila easy. With its welcoming atmosphere and emphasis on community living, Mikara Estates is an excellent choice for families seeking a balanced lifestyle. Kabayan, na-inspire ka rin ba sa mga success story ng kapwa nating Pilipino sa pagkakaroon ng kanilang dream house? Huwag mag-alala, maaari mo na akong i-message ngayon. Baka ikaw nang susunod na magbahagi ng iyong tagumpay. Kaya huwag palampasin ang pagkakataong ito. See you soon!